This is page 9 and 10 of the second semester geometry final review. So up at the top of page 9, we have number 57, which says find the measures of the arc or central angle indicated. Assume that lines which appear to be diameters are actual diameters. So central angles and their arcs have the same measure. So it's just 55 degrees. Number 58, find the measure of the arc or angle indicated. So I changed the question mark into an X. But I needed to find that angle right there. So I need that intercepted arc and then take half of it. So to get that arc, I knew that total circle is 360. And if this angle right here is 111, its arc is 222. So I subtracted the 222 from 360, got 138, divided by 2, which left me with 69 degrees. Number 59 says, find the length of the segment indicated, round your answer to the nearest tenth. If necessary, hint, use the Pythagorean theorem. That's a big hint, right? So if you get that hint, just locate the right triangle. Figure out if the piece missing is a leg or a hypotenuse. I determined that it was a leg, so I plugged it in for A, plugged the other leg in for B, and plugged the hypotenuse in for C. Squared everything using my calculator, did inverse operations till I got the X by itself and rounded to the nearest tenth. Number 60 says find the measure of the arc or angle indicated. Assume that lines which appear to be diameters are actual diameters. So here's a diameter because it's going straight through the center. That means that if this is the diameter, this side is going to be 180. So I said that 55 plus 49 plus x equals 180 degrees. Added these two together, subtracted the 104 from both sides, and got 76. All right. Turn to the top of page 10. Number 61, this is the diameter, making it 180 degrees on this side or this side. So if this angle or this arc is 118, I subtracted it from 180, got 62, added the 62 and the 63 to get 125. Number 62, find the measure of the arc or the angle indicated. So this arc right here is connected to this inscribed angle of 51 degrees, so I doubled it. Number 63, I was asked to find the perimeter. Assume that the lines appear to be tangent or tangent. So if this is 4.5, that's 4.5. Subtract the 4.5 from 10.6 to get 6.1. This is 6.1, that's 6.1. Subtract the 6.1 from this side, that leaves you with 9, and if this is 9, then that's 9. So I added all 6 pieces of the 3 sides together and got 39.2. Number 64, find the measure of the arc or angle indicated. Assume that lines which appear to be tangent are tangent. So this vertex is on the circle, which means it's going to be half of the intercepted arc. So if we know the angle, we're going to go the other direction, and that means we're going to double it. So that means that arc is going to be 90 degrees. Number 65. The angle is inside the circle, so we're going to add the 2 arcs together and then divide by 2, which is the same as taking 1/2. And then number 66, that angle is outside the circle, so we're going to take the larger arc minus the smaller arc and then divide by 2. And we end up with 60 degrees.